It's happening, folks. Look, it's yet another DC49. Remember from the video where we gave the two that I had an autopsy? This is a different one. This one isn't mine. It is just a job, but it runs. I finally get to hear what a Dyson digital motor in a cylinder cleaner sounds like, and we need to see what's wrong with this machine. So let's get on with it. Yes, hello my vacuum cleaner chums. How are you today? This is very small on my viewfinder because it is very small. It is a very tiny Dyson. We'll take the hose off and look at the tools, because as much as it is a little bit special, we must not lose sight of the fact that it's in with me. It's sat on this rug because it doesn't work properly. I think it is just suffering from Dyson-itis, but as we know, Dyson-itis can be fatal to these. So she came in at just the right time. We have, yummy, yummy. We have the floor tool, which she says doesn't work. I've got a feeling it does. It's just not getting the airflow it needs to spin the turbines, or it's off. One of the two. We'll have a look. We have this, which was actually on the end of the wand, so I'd imagine there's been a fair bit of stupid vacuum cleaner, it's so rubbish, going on in this thing's life. Then we have the bog standard Dyson cylinder toolkit of ever, literally the plastic one. Very good. I quite like these tools. They do a good job. They're comfy to hold. I can see why certainly this bit is just so popular and has been everywhere for decades. That's basically it for the tools. Here's the machine. Before we have an actual look at the problems with it, we should take the cable out, and the cable works quite nicely. I don't think it was ever a very strong cord reel on this. We'll plug it in, and I'll pop the hose on just because the suction comes out very strangely underneath these machines. And we'll turn it on and see if it works. I'm too used to saying I'll turn it on and we'll see if it works. It does work. We just need to see how badly it performs. Ready? Oh! Well, we have some suction, but wow, that motor spins up just like the cordlesses. Don't forget, as we know, under this switch is just a momentary contact, basically. As soon as it feels a pulse, it does what it needs to do. I wonder if the brush roll turns. Oh. Very, oh. No, it doesn't turn. So yes, as with all things Dyson-itis, which will turn the machine on. Oh, that's a different tone. There is a lot more suction as well. I have my toolbox here, and hopefully I don't have to go scrabbling around in it too much to find my nice flat base screwdriver, and we'll take the post filter out because we can, and that's not too bad actually compared to the ones that we've seen. Look, I mean, I don't know if I can turn it on. Oh, that likes that. Doesn't seem to be too bad either. I think this is actually quite a lucky machine. Inside looks very clean. Let's have a look in here, and well, We'll start with the basics, which is our filter look, which looks incredibly grim. And the cyclone itself isn't too sharp. No, you can't put the filter back on. You probably could if I popped it apart, but again, you shouldn't really do that because, in fact, you can't. Ooh, I just noticed that. That's not a pull-off seal like on the cordlesses. So we need to wash the filters. Give the whole thing a flipping good scrub. So basically, we're going to use this as the before video. I'm just happy that it worked at all after our fettled history with one of these. So there we go, nice and short before video of a working Dyson DC49. Hopefully in the next video we can have a look at a fully working DC49 that actually has some suction. So there we go. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed, and I and this Dyson DC49 will see you soon. Bye bye.